Are you still using the same skincare routine you had in your 20s? If so, stop right now. By the end of this video, you'll understand the scientific reasons why your skin might be aging faster than you think. Here's a surprising fact. Dermatologists say your skin starts losing collagen gradually from age 25. This isn't a choice, it's biology. But what's even more critical is that the wrong skincare habits can speed up this aging process. If you're in your 20s, it's not too late. But if you don't start now, you'll regret it in your 30s. The biggest mistake in your 20s is ignoring prevention. Thinking I'm young, so I'm fine is dangerous. The most important thing in your 20s? Sunscreen. Studies show that 80% of skin aging comes from UV-induced photoaging. You need SPF 30 or higher every day, rain or shine, indoors or out. UVA rays pass through windows and penetrate deep into your skin, breaking down collagen. Another must for your 20s: retinol. The idea that retinol is for your 30s is outdated. Starting with low-potency retinol in your late 20s can make a huge difference by your 30s, but retinol can irritate, so begin with a small amount and gradually increase. Always apply sunscreen diligently during the day when using it. Now, for those of you in your 30s, here's a big one. One of the most common mistakes is thinking more products, more expensive equals better results. Using too many products can actually damage your skin barrier. The key for your 30s is protection and repair. You need to slow collagen loss and repair existing damage. One of the best ingredients for this? Vitamin C. Its powerful antioxidant properties protect your skin and boost collagen production to maintain elasticity. But be careful, high concentrations aren't always better and can cause irritation. Here's a quick tip. Do you know the first sign of aging in your 30s? Crow's feet around your eyes. Most people only start using eye cream once they notice these lines. But by then, it's too late. For those in your 40s, let's be honest, basic skincare alone won't cut it anymore. But don't give up. This is when true anti-aging begins. The biggest change in your 40s is hormonal shifts, which thin your skin and reduce elasticity. This is where peptides come in. They directly stimulate collagen production. Exfoliation also becomes critical in your 40s. As you age, your cell turnover slows and dead skin builds up, blocking absorption of good ingredients. Using a gentle exfoliant 1-2 times a week keeps your skin clear and ready to absorb products. For those 50 and beyond, you need a specialized approach. Simple moisturizing isn't enough anymore. Your skin barrier weakens with age, leading to rapid moisture loss. Here's something many overlook in your 50s. Nighttime skincare is just as crucial as daytime. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, but this ability declines with age. Use products with ingredients that strengthen the skin barrier and promote regeneration. Now, a key fact for all ages: with so many products out there, it's easy to get confused about what works. Dermatologists recommend focusing on proven ingredients like retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide, peptides, hyaluronic acid, AHA, BHA, arbutin, adenosine, and sunscreen's UV-blocking components. Choose ingredients that target your specific skin concerns. One final critical tip: no matter how great your products are, bad lifestyle habits will limit their effects. Get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, quit smoking, limit alcohol, and manage stress. These are the true keys to anti-aging. Remember, age is just a number. With the right skincare and lifestyle, you can maintain healthy, vibrant skin.